Just want to show you guys the camera system that I have for taking time-lapse videos of the printing process, as well as just allowing me to monitor the printing process on this big monitor. So I have this Logitech C920 webcam, and first of all, this one is really lightweight, so it's not really hindering the movement of the plate, and it's not sagging the corner as well. And then, but what I really like about this camera is got adjustable focus, so you can focus it from really close to really near, and then there's a control in the Windows camera app that allows you to control the focus right here, right? So I'm not gonna mess with it right now because I'm taking a time-lapse photo. And then what you can do is also in the Windows app itself, you can go into the camera settings, and then you can turn on time lapse right here. So once you turn on time lapse under the photos, you can then set the timer, and I have it set to every 10 seconds. So now you see the little spinner. So every 10 seconds it's taking a picture. Now all of these pictures are going into this folder, the camera roll folder. So right now there are 113 items in this folder. And then what I do after all these photos are done, after the printing process completed, then I use this program is pretty old, it's like 10 years old, that allows you to stitch up all this JPEG into an AVI file. And I have these pictures taken at 1080p resolution. So these are all taken at 1920 by 1080. What I really like about this setup is now I can, if I'm just walking to my printer, I don't have to squint my eyes to see what's going on. I can actually see if there's any issues just right from the screen here.